What are you doing, Amelia?
I'm mixing like the scrambled eggs, and I cracked 2 eggs.
2?
And then, yeah, 1, 2.
Excellent.
And then I mixed it. Oh, but I also forgot salt. Salt.
Let's look for salt.
Yeah. Salt. Got it.
Look at you. Wow, that looks so good. I'm really impressed. 7 years old, making her own dinner. What time is it? Yeah, you're making dinner. Impressive.
We didn't eat hamburgers, but I want more food, so.
You want more food?
Yeah, and I made it.
Well, you're growing. You're a smart girl. You know how to make your own food? That's amazing.
You need to wait for it.
You want to wait for it? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's turn this off. Do you know how to turn the stove off?
Like this
Yep.
one has to point there.
Correct. Wow, excellent. That looks delicious. Can I try some?
Sure.
I'm gonna test it for you, okay?
Test it. Are you excited to see how I
I'll let you know out of 10 how good you did. All right.
test my food?
Let's look at the texture. Honestly, you did better than me. You cook eggs better than me. This is your first time. That's impressive. Wow. 10 out of 10. Okay, now you have to. Let's go have Mama try it. You gotta have Mama try this.
I did it.
Impressive. Good job, sweetie.